everyone, welcome back to Tech and Sound. Today we'll bring the review of the POCO M5. The general brand is POCO, model is M5, price in India is 12,500 rupees. 5th September 2022, it was launched in India is 4 years and it's globally launched. Has green form factor and the battery capacity is 5000 mAh, proprietary fast charging, and then the colors are icy blue, POCO yellow, and power black. And then we have the display review. So refresh rate is 60 Hz, resolution standard is HD plus, screen size is 6.5, 8 inches, India resolution is 2400 into 1080 pixels, and protection type is Gorilla Glass. And hardware, the for RAM is 4 GB and 6 GB RAM. Internal storage is 64 GB and 128 GB. And camera is a rear camera 50 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 2 megapixel. Number of rear camera is 3. Front camera is 8 megapixel. Number of front camera is 1. And connectivity, yes. And that's all with this exterior review. Interior review, no time. So thanks to the end. If you have. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Subscribe to the channel. So check out the iPhone 14 series review. Also see all the phones review the videos. And not subscribe to the channel.